Ayan, no? So, welcome for our today's lesson, no? So, we will be discussing another solutions to systems of linear equations, this time using Gauss-Jordan elimination and reduced row echelon form. So, this is the third na diniscuss natin. No? Yung una natin is Gauss elimination tsaka row echelon form. Then, we use the Cramer's rule no, as one of the applications of determinants. And lastly is ito, no, yung Gauss-Jordan elimination and reduced row echelon form. So, you can use any of the three naman, no? Kung saan kayo pinaka-comfortable, no? Unless, of course, pag in-specify ng professor ninyo or ng instructor ninyo na ganito yung gagamitin, then you have no choice but to use it. But if hindi naman, then you can use no kung ano yung pinaka madali para sa inyo no. So kaya yun yung purpose bakit I introduce the different methods in solving systems of linear equations no. So dito muna tayo no. So our first example no. So we have negative 4x 4x sub 1 minus 2x sub 2 is equal to negative 12, and we have 4x sub 1 plus 8x sub 2 is equal to negative 24. So isulat natin to in a augmented matrix form as always no, katulad nun sa Gauss elimination natin. Ayan. No, tapos let us operate no. So again no sa kung sa Gauss-Jordan lower triangular lang yung ginagawa natin 0 no, yung yung mga elements below the diagonal. Dito pati yung elements above the diagonal. So in this case yung 4 at saka yung negative 2. Parehas natin silang gagawing 0 no. So tapos yung main diagonal natin, ito yung main diagonal natin, gagawin nating 1 yan mamaya. Okay? So ito muna, no? So, let's operate. So, we can do is R1 plus R2 since 4 plus negative 4 is equal to 0. No? So, we have here. No? So, negative. Copyhin nyo lang yung hindi naman nagalaw. Diba? Then, we have here 4 plus negative 4 is 0. Diba? Or negative 4 plus 4 is 0. Negative 2 plus 8 is positive 6. No? Ayan. Then we have negative 12 minus 24 is negative 36. Okay? So, ito naman, no, yung negative 2. So, we can have 3. Rather R3. Or R2, sorry, R2. Plus 3R1. No? So, pwede yan. No? So, 3R1 para mag 6. So, sorry. So, we have here, no, 0, 6, negative 36. Then, R2 plus 3R1. So, negative 0 plus 3 times negative 4, that is negative 12. So, obviously, this is 0. Then, we have here 32 or R2, which is negative 36 plus 3R1. 1, no, which is negative 12. So, negative 36 minus 36 is negative 72. Okay, so, ayan. Then, nakuha na natin, no, 0 na yung upper and lower triangles natin. So, yung main diagonal na lang gawin nating 1. So, dito sa R1, magmumultiply ako ng 1 over 12, no, para maging 1 yung diagonal natin. Then, dito, magmumultiply ako ng 1 over 6 sa R2, no. So, we have, this will become 1, 0, 0, 1, no? Which is an identity matrix, we all know. No? Then, negative 72 times negative 1 over 12, so that is positive 6. Then, negative 36 times 1 over 6, that is negative 6. So, ang kagandahan kasi dito sa Gauss-Jordan, no, makukuha mo agad yung sagot, no? No need for back substitution unlike in Gauss elimination. No, kay Gauss-Jordan tsaka kay reduced row echelon form, kung ano yun nasa right side nung line natin, no, neto, ayan, nung line natin, yun yung sagot. So, isusulat mo na lang siya. So, our x sub 1 is equal to 6, x sub 2 is equal to negative 6. That is already the answer. No, ganun lang kasimple, no? Ganun lang kasimple gawin si Gauss-Jordan elimination. Okay? So, number 2 tayo, no? So, another example. Another 2 by 2 muna para mas mabilis. So, 4x sub 1 plus 8x sub 2 is equal to 20. Then we have negative 4x sub 1 plus 2x sub 2 is equal to negative 30. No? So, sulat lang muna natin in augmented matrix form. So, 4, 8, 20. Then we have negative 4, 2, negative 30. No? Ayan. Tapos, ano na lang natin, operate na lang natin. No? So, R1 plus R2. So, this will give us 4, 8, 20, then 0, then 10, no? 8 plus 2 is 10. So, negative 20 minus 30 is negative 10, no? So, ayan. Then, last ito, no? Dito sa taas. So, this can be negative, negative 8 R2 plus 10 R1, no? So, we have here 0, 10, negative 10. Then, 0 naman yung sa 8. So, 4 times 10 is 40. Ayan. Then, this will become 0, obviously, no? So, negative 80 plus 80 ang lalabas dyan. Then, we have 80 plus 200. So, that is 280, no? So, divide na lang natin sa mga numerical coefficients dito sa left side, no? So, 1 over 40 R1, then 1 over 10 R2. Diba? So, we have 1, 0, 0, 1. Then, we have here 7, no? 280 divided by 40, that is 28 divided by 4. So, 7. Then, we have negative 1. So, ayun, ganun lang siya kasimple, no? So, x sub 1 is equal to 7, x sub 2 is equal to negative 1. No? Yan, basic na basic, no? So, right away nakukuha natin. Yun yung kagandahan talaga dito sa Gauss-Jordan Elimination. Okay, so jump tayo sa 3x3, no? So, for 3x3 matrix, so I have here, I have here negative x minus 5y, no? Let's say 5y minus 5z. 5z is equal to 2. Then we have here 4x minus 5y plus 4z is equal to 19. And last, we have x plus 5y minus z is equal to negative 20. No, so, ito yung isosolve natin. Okay, so, game. Okay, so we have here, no, i-augment muna natin, no. So, we have negative 1, negative 5, negative 5, 2, 4, negative 5, 4, 19. Then, we have 1, 5, negative 2, negative 20. Okay, so R1 plus R3 na lang, no, para mas mabilis. Ayan. So, we have here negative 1, negative 5, negative 5, 2, 4, negative 5, 4, 19. Then this will become 0. This will also become 0, no? And 5, 1, negative 1 plus 1, negative 5 plus 5. The negative 5 minus 2 is negative 7. Then 2 plus negative 20 is negative 18. Okay? The next, no? So, we have here, dito tayo kay 4. So, 4R1 plus R2. No? So, 4R1 plus R2. Oops, sorry. This is not 2. This is negative 1. So, this is negative 6. Apologies. Ayan, buti napansin ko. Ayan. So, we have, ayan. So, negative 1, negative 5, negative 5, 2. Then, 0, 0, negative 6, negative 18. No? Then, 4, no? For negative 4 plus 4, that is 0. Negative 20 minus 5 is negative 25. Then we have negative 20 plus 4 is negative 16. Ayan. Then we have 8, no? 8 plus 19, that is 27. Okay? So, ayan. Next, ito tayo, no? So, sa negative 5 tayo. So, ano ba pwede natin gawin dito? 5R1 or negative 5R1 or R3 rather plus 6R1, no? Para maging 30 sila, no? 30 minus 30 ang lalabas dito. Ayan. So, we have 0, negative 25, negative 16, 27, negative 18, 0, 0, negative 6. Okay. So, we have here negative 6. Then, we have negative 30. Then, this will become 0. Then, negative 5 or 3. So, that is positive 90 plus 12. So, that is 102. Ayan. So, next, no? Dito tayo sa negative 16. So, ano pwede natin i-operate dito kay negative 16? We have so we have 3, no? Or rather 8, negative 8 or 3 plus 3 or 2, no? Ayan. So, bali magsi-0 tong dalawa. So, that is, this will give us 48, no? Yeah, 48. 48, positive 48 minus 48. Ayan. So, papayin na natin mga hindi nagalaw. Ayan. Then we have here 0 obviously, no? Then negative 75 plus negative 25 times 3. Diba? Then this will become 0. Then we have negative 18 times 8, no? Then 27 times 3. Ayan. So 225. Ayan. So 225. And last, no, dito tayo kay 30. So, sa guys, sa pagkuha ng yung imumult sa matrix operation, you get the lowest term para hindi na ganun kalaki. No, for example, katulad ng ginawa ko dito kay 16 tsaka kay 6. Ginawa ko 6 divided by, tip lang naman to, no, negative 6 divided by negative 16, which is equivalent to negative 3 over negative 8, no? So, I mean, iano ko na lang, alisin ko na yung negative. So, kaya 8 and 3 yung nilagay ko. No, so ganun din dito, for example, in this case, 30 and 75, they are both divisible by 15, 'di ba? So 5 over 2. So pwede ko nang gawin is negative negative 2 R2, no? Tama ba? Negative 2 R2. Yeah, negative 2 R2 plus 5R1, no? So para maging 100, negative 150 plus 150. Ayan. So we have here, no, kopyahin nyo lang yung mga hindi naman nagalaw. 0, 0, negative 6, negative 18, no? So dito tayo, we have 5 times negative 6, that is negative 30. No? So, obviously, this will become 0. This will still become 0. Then we have yung ating gagamitin na R2 is 225. Then, for R1 is 102. So, this is 60. No? Positive 60. Ayan. So, pwede na nating i-divide, no, using the numerical coefficients no diagonal natin. So, we have your negative 1 over 30 R1, negative 1 over 75 R2, and we have negative 1 over 6 R3. No? So, pag na-reduce na natin to, no, maliliit na yung mga numbers na yan, no. So, we have 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So, 60 divided by negative 30, that is negative 2. Then, 225 divided by 107, divided by 75, that is 3, or negative 3 kasi negative, di ba? Then, negative 18 divided by negative 6 is positive 3. Okay, so ito na yung sagot, no? So, x is equal to negative 2, y is equal to negative 3, z is equal to positive 3. Ayan. So, ayun guys, no? Tandaan nyo yung tip na yun, no? Yung sa lowest term, kasi it will make your division easier, or I mean yung matrix row operation ninyo easier. So, kasi kapag pwede naman no yung kung yung numbers mismo. Pero para kasi doon sa other numbers kapag masyadong malalaki na yung mga minung-multiply natin, medyo nakakalito na kaunti. No, so kung ano kayo, no, comfortable kayo with lowest terms katulad na itong ginagawa ko, no, for the row operations. Ayan. So you can do that. Okay? So last number tayo, no? Para masanay tayo sa 3x3. Medyo mahaba lang ng kaunti. Ganun talaga. Pero ano naman, no? Kagandahan, katulad sabi ko kanina, kagandahan kay Gauss-Jordan is right away nakukuha mo yung sagot. So, x sub 1 minus 6x sub 2 plus 4x sub 3 is equal to negative 12. Then we have x sub 1 plus x sub 2 minus 4x sub 3 is equal to positive 12. Then we have 2x sub 1 plus 2x sub 2 plus 5x sub 3 is equal to negative 15. Okay? So, solve natin to, no? So, we have here, lagay ko lang sa augmented matrix natin, 1, negative 6, 4, negative 12, 1, 1, negative 4, so this is 12, 2, 2, 5, so this is negative 15. Okay? So, okay, let's operate, no? So, negative 2 R1, or R2 na lang, mas madali sa R2. Mas maliit, no? Plus R3. So, we have here, papayin nyo lang yung mga hindi nagalaw again, no? Ayan. So, this will become 0, obviously. This one will also be 0. So, nakasave na tayo ng isa. Then, negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8 plus 5 is 13, no? Positive 13. Then, we have negative 24 plus negative 15, that is negative 39. Yeah. So, next, no? So, we have here, ito yung 1, no? So, ano na lang, negative R1 plus R2 na lang. So, 1, negative 6, 4, negative 12, 0, 0, 13, negative 39. Then, obviously, this will become 0, no? So, positive 6 plus 1 is 7. So, negative 4 minus 4 is negative 8. Positive 12 plus 12 is 24. Okay, so dito na tayo. Next sa ating upper triangular. So, for this, R2 plus 2R1, no? So, negative 8 plus 8. So, we have here 0, 7, negative 8, 24, 0, 0, 13, negative 39. Then, we have 2, no? Then, 7 minus 12. So, that is negative 5. 7 minus 12 is negative 5. Then, this will become 0. No? So, negative 8 plus 8 ang lalabas kasi. Then, we have here 24 plus negative 24. So, this is 0. No? Ayan. So, obviously, this will become 0 na. No? So, next, ito tayo sa 13 and 8. Oh. So, ito, katulad na to, wala na to. So, we have 8R3 plus 13R2. What I mean dun sa wala na is wala na siya lowest term, ha? So, as is na lang yung mga numbers natin. So, we have 2, negative 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 13, negative 39. Diba? So we have here 0 obviously. So 13 times 7, so that is 91. No? Then we have ayan, so obviously this is 0. No? Then we have here, ayan, this is also 0. Okay, so nag-0 na yung dalawa, so malamang 0 na to, no? Ayan, kapag ka ganito, pwede nyo naman nang hindi ituloy, no? Kasi obviously, ang mai-operate nyo na lang dito is R3, di ba? Pero sige, for the sake of demonstration, let's finish na lang, no? So, we have here for last, no? 5R2 plus 91R1, no? So, walang lowest term si 91 and 5, or wala silang greatest common factor, no? So, GCF. So, I have here 182, no? 0, 0, 0, 0, 91, 0, 0, 0, 0, 13, negative 13, 9. Tapos, divide ko lang rather ng mga numerical coefficients natin para maging identity matrix to. Diba? So, we have obviously any number divided by any, I mean 0 divided by any number is still 0. So 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. Then we have here 0 0 1. 39 divided by 13 is negative 39 divided by 13 is negative 3. Okay, so therefore x sub 1 is equal to 0, x sub 2 is equal to 0, x sub 3 is equal to negative 3. Ayan. So, negative 3. Ayusin natin. Kung mapapansin ninyo, no, actually itong mga examples natin, these are the examples that we use in Kramer's rule, no, dun sa video natin sa Kramer's rule. So, this just shows us that any process or any method that you use, you will still arrive with the same answer, no? So, that's for the Gauss-Jordan and reduced row echelon form. So, I hope you guys learned something. No? Aral maigi para ang buhay ay bumuti. So, thank you and stay safe.